Hi everybody, this is Douglas. I'm here on Lichess, ready to look at a couple of chess puzzles, have some fun, play some games, mess around, learn how to play this awesome game that is chess. If you like it, if you could like or subscribe, that'd be awesome, so I can make more of these videos. And if you don't like it, or if you don't subscribe, that's cool too. This is definitely helping me to understand chess better. I'm definitely an amateur chess, trying to become a better chess player. And this is about the middle game. The middle or the end game goes pretty quick. Alright, so if you want to check it out with me, try to figure it out. There's a lot going on, lots of options. We got my bishop, kind of going nowhere because of that knight on f6. Queen, boom, taking that. That's an option. Should I back it up? Bishop. Oh, there's a knight right there. Okay. Got my knight here. And the pawns. Want to take that? You would take my queen. So, gotta focus on my queen. No, do not, no, nothing to do with that. Backing it up. I got it backed up with my bishop here. Okay, I think I figured it out. If you want to pause the video, it's the queen. Let's take that thing. And we win a knight. So that's move order. Taking in the right order, winning a piece. Alright, let's try one more. Alright, so we've got a knight. What am I looking at here? Got the queen. It's not ran out of spots. Move order. Taking that again. Queen. Where are you? Knight. Getting hit. Protected by 2 pawns. Oh, I like this setup too. This is my Roy Lopez kind of, game variation. Okay. Well, and I have to say too that I've been playing a lot of these, and they come from other games when I analyze them. So actual games by usually grandmasters or people over 2,000 of a rating. Obviously my rating, well, not obviously, is 1,300, around 1,400. I'm really thinking moving that pawn up there. I know that's not the best move. Where's the best move? Taking here. Then he takes. That doesn't seem like it. Give a check with the queen. No. Queen to h4. What could it be? What could it be? Alright, so yeah, after about a minute I usually try to give it a go. And sometimes I'm right and sometimes I'm wrong. Let's see, what should we go with? I like to get these right though. Man, come on, man. That's why I'm a 1,400, 1,300 rating. So I feel like I'm wrong with the bishop. Pawn. Sometimes these are so obvious too, and after it, you're just like, oh, come on, man. Right here, it's hitting right here. I got the knight here. Alright, if you want to pause the video. Alright, here we go. Wait, is it over here? Is that it? Is this knight done? No, I could move to a4. A4 or even back to E. Alright, let's just go. Nope, that was wrong. Alright, let's try that one. Nope. Oh, man. Fail. Big time fail here. That was it? See? What's the point of that? That's just a trade. Okay. What are we trading for? What? Oh. Oh, that's a good one. Then I get his rook if he takes there. Ooh. All right. Well, I learned something there. If you want to like or subscribe, the puzzle rating on there is 1900. Right, let's look at that again. Well, see, then why wouldn't he just take with his pawn right there? I guess it doesn't matter. Anything that he takes with, his queen was right there.